Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Cardano continues to be in this correction in which we currently are. We already were in this correction yesterday. We talked about it in yesterday's video, and we have two possibilities here in the bullish interpretation, in my opinion. There is one which is showing here on the chart as a 1-2 setup from the 10th of March low to the 14th of March high. Basically a 1 and then the wave 2 down, which bottomed here in March. Then another 1, 2. And based on this, we would now be in a third wave. In this third wave, if we zoom in a little bit, it could be that we are nearly done with completing 5 waves. And that's where the two possibilities are. The first possibility, and that is currently the primary expectation, but the longer this correction takes, the less likely it will be, depending on what happens now here in this area. I'm currently counting this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and then with one more high to come in this third wave that I just talked about. That belongs to the wave 2, which bottomed on the 12th of April. This is one possibility, but in this scenario, the wave 4 must be done already. And we are already in the 5th wave of the higher degree third wave. In the alternative interpretation, what we're doing here is a wave 2. In a wave 2, we can come down a bit deeper, which means that we are looking at a 1-2, 1-2, and another 1-2 setup. It all depends on how deep we go now. And I can uphold this bullish perspective because both are bullish as long as we're holding the swing low of the 12th of April at 38.9 cents. So the expectation at the moment would be in the primary count, but they are both part of the same higher degree scenario. In the primary count that we completed yesterday, a 4th wave, we rallied in 5 waves and then came down in an A wave into our trend reversal area. It reversed at the golden ratio, we moved higher, bounced off resistance, and we're now coming down in a C wave. But we're now at a point where ideally, now or in the very, very near future today, at some point, we are going to turn around in this scenario. Now, if we lose 43.2 cents and we sustain below that level, it will indicate that we have a deeper correction to do. And then the alternative wave 2 would come into play. And this relates to the move that happened between the 12th of April and the 15th of April. I would then interpret this as another wave 1 as a 5-wave move, and the move down here as a wave 2. And in this scenario, it can come down to 39 cents, but it would be better if it actually doesn't go below. Again, here the 78.6 retracement. We talk here round about the 40 cent level, because a break below that would again lead to a break of the 78.6 retracement. Now, these are the two main scenarios I'm observing. I don't see any trouble here as long as we hold above 40.4 cents. So to be clear here, we've got a lower support area that ideally doesn't go below 40 cents. And then we've got the imminent one that is relevant if we already are in the 5th wave here of the 3rd wave. But then it should really turn around imminently. If we zoom in a little bit, I mean, we can count 5 waves possibly complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it should then turn around really very, very shortly. Because we've already dropped below the 61.8 retracement, it is quite likely to touch the 78.6, but we'll see at least some kind of reaction. If we don't even see a reaction there, it's very likely we drop into the lower support area I showed you. All right, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.